was a house full of musical cats who lived without a care in the world until a knock on the door changed it all forevermore. Now will they ever take care of this little girl? Timmy the young one wants her to stay. He's so sure she'll be a cat one day. Look at King Tubby sitting on his throne, pretending that he knows just what's going on. Though it's so cruel and a sharp as attack, she's nobody's fool, you better watch your back. While the Nas looks on, playing a song, steering things right when it seems like they're going so wrong. And then they get it, and all she wants to be is a cat. As if there'd ever be anything she wanna be more than that. And even though the Kenny is living with a house full of cats, Kenny has not a cat.
This picture-perfect day was about to be very rudely interrupted, not by a person or bad weather, but by a simple little beeping device.
Where's my frog with the mustache? No, don't take it away!
It's for your own good.
Dad, please! I can't live without my frog with the mustache!
What the?
Kid's got a love of the outdoors and a keen sense of adventure. Oh, whoa!
Kids, get your hands on the newest new game around! It's the most insane, brain-melting, awesomest kid thing ever! Frog with a mustache! In all seriousness, you'll be an uncool loser unless you have Frog with a mustache!
House meeting! I've called this meeting to discuss our failings as guardians. What is it that young children need when playing?
Sunshine?
No.
Fresh air.
No. Oh, exercise! Oh, definitely not.
Yeah?
Yuck! We've got it all wrong. She needs to be inside doing what all the other kids are doing.
Which is
Playing frog with a mustache!
frog with a... never mind.
Frog with a mustache? It's a computer game. Oh, you are all so lucky to have me. As my extensive research reveals that humans of all ages love to play these electronic games. Oh! At first, the computer games were larger than a large, big something. Yet people still wanted to play them. In fact, people even watched people playing them. Yes, it seems the outdoors were too much for them. No one genuinely enjoyed exercise or sunshine. What they wanted was to push buttons to make their little computer person do it for them. I mean, why go outdoors when you can have a digital version indoors? I firmly suspect that the invention of the handheld game came after the parents themselves became addicted to mobile phones and needed something to give their children to keep them out of their way. You see, humans need these things for their own safety, entertainment, and brain-melting insanity. So now we need the most insane, brain-melting, awesomest kid thing ever. Frog with a mustache! If we don't, Kitty won't be like other kids.
Kitty's not like other kids. Kitty thinks she's a cat.
Precisely! And that is why we need to get her indoors in front of a screen.
But she loves being outside.
Well, that's what you think. It's a cry for help. Now, where can I get my hands on one of those things?
What are you talking about?
The mustache frog!
Here you go.
Oh, Mr. Clean. If only it were that simple. But... Aha! I've already done it! I am 2 steps ahead of myself. Oh, bother. Look, get this thing to commence its brain-melting activities before our neglect causes Kitty permanent damage.
Someone's brain's already melting.
Maybe press where it says on.
What does on even mean?
Is that it? Tiny squares? Where is the frog? Where is the mustache?
Actually, it's quite clearly a frog with a mustache sitting in a boat with a milkshake.
You can see that?
Excellent. Kitty's development is back on track. Meeting adjourned.
Kitty? That's it. That's the game.
Oh! Hey, kid. You think you might want to take a break from this,
Frog with a mustache.
Shoo! What? I don't get this.
The frog is in an eating contest, right? It's gotta eat only the blue cotton candy, not the red. Duh.
I will never understand why the peoples do what the peoples do.
I'm not sure this was a good idea.
I am 100% sure this was not a good idea.
Excuse me.
Kitty isn't even off this thing.
Excellent.
She hasn't spoken a word.
Oh, perfect. Although, technically she never has.
She's living in a box.
Oh, I say, how thrifty. It really is the most insane, brain-melting, awesomest kid thing ever. Frog with a mustache.
You know, I knew a frog who had a mustache, which makes no sense, because frogs ain't got no hair.
Yeah, but you're a mouse with an organ, so who are you to judge?
You're welcome.
Listen, it's pretty obvious Kitty is basically zombie now, which means least functional household member has become even less functional. It also means cute little Kitty is not so cute at the moment.
We're all really missing having the old Kitty around. Even Meng.
I got an idea. Rally the troops. We gotta fight fire with fire.
And by fire, do you mean actual fire?
No, games, other games. Ones where she has to play with us. That just might bring her back.
Niet. No. Oh. No.
All this, and the kid's still glued to the thing.
I think Kitty's game is over, and she's not happy about it. There, Kitty.
Seeing as you're all so jealous of Kitty's computer frog, I have some other human stuff here for you to play with.
So crazy, it just might work. Quick, Tubby, empty it.
Usually only good things come from the bin. I don't know what went wrong this time.
Don't you dare give that back to him!
What on earth are you doing?
Ugh. I just ain't got it today. Hang on a minute. You know, kid, games can be really fun. But everyone would much rather play with you than a frog with a mustache.
Now that Kitty was back in the sunshine, the cats knew it was where she belonged, and Kitty learned she should try to have everything in moderation, especially little beeping devices.